Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Pawsom Fun and Frugal, Gretchen here, and I have done another food bank haul. I've been doing them. I've done videos in the past about my food bank hauls, so I figured I'd done enough videos, but like I've said in some of my other videos, after a while people don't want to go searching back in someone's channel to find specific videos. So hopefully this one will pop up in your feed or recommendations, and maybe it'll be inspiring. And I just want people to not be uncomfortable. These are really hard times right now, especially, and this is a time to not be ashamed or uncomfortable about going to food banks. So I also wanted to shed some light on what has changed since my last food bank hauls. They were quite generous, and things are getting tighter, and it's harder to get good things, but sometimes I still am surprised that I get some pretty good stuff. So I'm very grateful to the people that are still donating some decent food, and I'm saying decent because there's food and there's healthy food, and especially for someone like me who has a restrictive food diet, I don't like that word. It's hard for people with food restrictions to find food that works for them. So when I do find stuff, I'm very grateful, and I want to share with others that it's still possible to find some things to help supplement your groceries. So let's get started and see what I got this week. And today is a double food bank day. So keep watching for the next food bank. At the time I am recording this, I just went to my morning one. I happened to get, one of them is appointment. And I happened to get appointment this afternoon on the same day. I was going to one this morning. Unfortunately, they're kind of in the same place, but the timing is like I went this morning because you have to be there by noon for the one I just went to. My appointment's not until 4 o'clock. So, and I have these two dogs at home, and I end up having to drive home and drive back out. So it kind of doesn't matter that it's on the same day in that sense, but it's nice to get all the food bank stuff out of the way in one day, and then I can see what I have, where my gaps are, and then I'll go grocery shopping to fill in the gaps of things that I really need that I didn't get at the food bank. So let's get started. So the first bag has got a little bit of sourdough bread, and it's this everything sourdough. My grandson may be coming to stay with me a little bit here and there, so I thought I'd pick up a few things that maybe he might like. If not, I'll gift them to a neighbor or something. So there's that. I got a whole thing of very good celery. I think I need to turn on a light. Hold on. I'm not sure if that's much better, but our weather is fluctuating, so it gets bright and then it gets cloudy. So the clouds are like, we're getting a lot of clouds. So I got some good celery. I got some tea, so lemon ginger and ginger tea, and it's good organic, I guess, tea. I got some granola, got some natural whole hazelnuts. And these are the things that I feel like are the quality finds that I got today. Also got almond milk. And I got potatoes and some lentils, some rice, some garbanzo beans, some canned pumpkin puree, so a can of garbanzo beans. If you watched any of my cooking stuff, I like to make homemade vegan cheese out of that. There's some salmon and peanut butter. Move my stuff out of the way. I better hang up my purse and my keys. And then I put my mail in there too. Another box of almond milk. Some ravioli that I'm hoping my grandson will like. So that's for him. Some fish fillets. And I know I keep saying vegan, but I'm not fully vegan. I am, it's called pescatarian. I'm on health-related diet restrictions. So if you catch me saying vegan, I sometimes throw that around when I probably shouldn't. Because I'll eat fish, and I can't think of what else here. Yeah, I guess basically the fish is the thing that might throw you off. And here's some hash browns. And I know my grandson likes hash browns, so that'll be a hit. And then, of course, if you've watched my videos about the dogs, there's some pork for the dogs. So that is one food bank haul for today, and there'll be another one this afternoon. So that's a pretty good, that is a pretty good food bank haul for one day. There's been some days the past few weeks where I've come home with very little because they're low on most everything, or they don't have any of the stuff that works for me. So there's been sometimes I come home with one bag that's not even full. So this is pretty good considering what's going on in the world right now. So, and a lot of times I'll turn down that extra stuff like the ravioli, the bread, and hash browns and stuff because, well, I'll eat the hash browns, but I don't know what they're prepared with, so I'd have to check. But normally I turn down the stuff that I won't necessarily use so that it's there for someone else in case they run out. I don't like to take something that I don't need if someone else can use it. But all of this stuff is going to work, especially since I have a teenage grandson who would eat me out of house and home. See you this afternoon. Okay guys, so I'm back from the afternoon food bank, and like I was saying, sometimes you don't get much. This is one of those times. Like I said, I'm on a restrictive diet, so I have to pick what I can eat. No sense in picking what I can't. I do sometimes get a couple things for my grandson, but and I'm really tired, so I got some gluten-free bread, little bread, and some sweet potato veggie burgers. I got a mixed thing of fruit, cookies and cream, and I got these let me move that. I got these bananas. I know there's a lot of glare. These are I have to right away peel these and bag them up because they are only good for, there might be a couple, no, they're all baking, what I call baking bananas, because they are so soft and ripe. I got half of a melon. Okay, I'm having malfunctions with the camera. You can see I'm crooked. And I'm too tired to deal with it. So I got cereal. Some white corn tortillas. Looks like a lot of them are already cracked. So I'll probably make chips out of them. I did get some sourdough bread for my grandson. Endive for salads. And a few mushrooms. So this is the food bank that I usually get more plant-based stuff from, but they were out of almost everything. So, yeah, and they were super crowded. It's just sad to see that many people trying to get food, and especially those of us on restrictive diets. It's sad. And they're talking about things getting worse, so I'm just trying to keep my spirits up that things are going to be okay. That I'm going to be able to keep feeding myself and my dogs. So, you know, I do have a little bit of money I can spend on groceries, and like I was saying earlier, I do the food banks and then I see what else that I need. And for a couple of days I'm okay, but you can only now, they restricted the food banks. This one, you can only go every other week, and the other one I showed this morning, you can go to one location once a week, and they don't have a lot of the stuff that I can eat. So that's how it is. Keeping it real on my Pawsom Fun and Frugal, not always so fun, but always frugal channel about struggling in this time. So, yeah, we'll get through this, won't we? See you in the next one.
Thank you so much.